Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen, and I am coming at you right now with my #1 favorite salad dressing in the whole world. This is a beautiful lemon and honey vinaigrette that is going to top our Mediterranean bowls a little bit later. All right, first thing we need to do is get our olive oil together. First thing we need to do is 2/3 of a cup of olive oil, right? So I've got it in the same container that I'm going to use my immersion blender in so I can save out on a little bit of dishes. Cool thing, this has also got measurements on the side. All right, so 2/3 of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now we're gonna need to pop open 2 garlic cloves here. You know, quite frankly, I love garlic so much that I'm gonna use a little bit extra, but I'd say go for at least 2. So no need to mince these if you're using an immersion blender, food processor, or blender. If you're gonna whisk it, you can go ahead and use a microplane to get it nice and fine. The microplane. It's awesome. Now for the salt. Salt rounds out all flavors, so salt is super important in basically anything you cook. So we need 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or agave nectar, whatever sweetener you like. Then white or black pepper to taste. I'd say at least 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm using white pepper here. Oregano is optional here, but since I really like the flavor and it's going on my Mediterranean grain bowl, I'm going to add that to kind of amp up all those herbaceous flavors. Immersion blenders are awesome because instead of you taking your food to a blender or a food processor, you take the blender right to the food. This is easy to clean, wonderful to use. Here we go. Hold tight and blend. That blade is tucked up, so don't worry, it's not gonna cut up anything. Beautiful. Well, follow the recipe, but still, I wanna make sure that it tastes good. So let's see. I can safely say it needs a little bit more honey, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust. That's the benefit of tasting your food right before you serve it. You wanna make sure that it's good and see what you need to change up. So I added a little more honey. Blend away. All right. Clean spoon. Let's taste. Perfect. Needed just a little more sweetness. It's balanced, it's got lemon and olive oil, lots of garlic, oregano, salt, pepper, and that beautiful honey.